is another version of lavender color, and it is very amazing and very shining with glitter of each color, and which is very amazing. And the glitters are shimmering in the light and looking very amazing. Now come to the wax, and dust particles are added in the wax, which is hot. And now come to the sea green color, which is very amazing. And now the crystal slab is here to crush and giving the satisfying